what? It's March Madness week. That's right. NCAA basketball is out there for you to check out. And I know we got a lot of fans for that. Basketball is cool. You watch some guys dribble the ball, flip around their back, do the hook shot. It's so cool. And they're going to be having a lot of fun out there. And I know you're going to have a lot of fun this week too doing this. Because you know why? Because you're going to be out there playing basketball. You're going to be out there eating. You're going to be out there drinking. And hopefully you're going to have your video cameras to get some of them great burps. And we're just out here today. I want to have everybody have a great time with a March Madness. Get out there and celebrate. Have a good time. Be safe. So don't forget your video cameras. Try to get the best burps you can. Get them into us if you want to see them, okay? You take it easy. Have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.